Okay, hello everyone. You are welcome to Maths Olympiad 2026. So I'm going to be guiding you on how to answer the questions that you are expected to see. So you are welcome, and we are going to be solving it 5 questions at a time. So we have the first one, number one. Find x. Find x. We have find x if 3 raised to the power of bracket 7 minus 2x is equal to bracket 1 over 27 raised to the power of minus 8. This is indices. So this is 3 raised to the power of 7 minus 2x is equal to the power here. The base here is 3. So let's convert this. It's like 1 over 27 in index sum is 3 raised to the power of 3 bracket minus raised to the power of minus 8. 3 raised to the power of 7 minus 2x is equal to bracket. We have what is called negative index law. So whenever you have 1 over, so we have to take it up. So this power here will have negative. So we have 3 raised to the power of minus 3 bracket raised to the power of minus 8. So looking at this now, you will see that we can go further and say 3 raised to the power of 7 minus 2x is equal to 3 raised to the power. This is minus 3 times minus. So minus 3 times minus 8 is plus 24. So you see that the bases are the same. You equate the powers. So we have 7 minus 2x is equals to 24. So collecting like terms, we have 7. Let's say we have minus 2x is equals to 24. When plus 7 comes here is minus 7. We have minus 2x is equal to 24 minus 7 should give us 17. Okay, the next step, what do you do in the next step is to divide both sides by minus 2. So our x is minus 17 over 2. And that is the answer. So let's go to number 2 right away. So we have number 2 here. What is the smallest prime factor of 1, 2, 4, 8? Very easy question. What is a prime factor? Is a number, is a factor that can go into this number that can divide itself and 1. And the prime factors, you know that 2, because this is an even number, so the smallest is 2, or you can divide, so the smallest prime factor is 2. But in case they ask you other question, you can do 1, 2, 4, 8 divided by 2. This is 6, 2, 4, 2. We have 3, 1, 2, 2. We have 1, 5, 6, 2. We have 2 going to 15 is 7, 8. 2. We have 3, 9. 3 here. We have 13. 13 here. We have 1. So the prime factors of 1, 2, 4, 8 are 2, 3, and 13. But the smallest is equal to 2. And that is the answer. So we go to number 3. Find the remainder. Find the remainder when 2 raised to the power of 371 is divided by 10. So how do we go about this question? First of all, let's focus on this. 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, and so on. What am I trying to say? So we are going to be focusing at the last digit of this power. 2 raised to the power of this is 2. The last digit, 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. 2 raised to the power of 14 is 16. We have 2 numbers here. So we'll pick the last digit, which is 6. The same thing with 2 raised to the power of 5. We'll pick you will see that it's going to be repeating itself. What do I mean? If I go here, 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. The last digit here is 2. It has started again. It's going to be going like that. So let's say that we have 4 patterns here. Let me call it patterns. So looking at this, since we have 4 patterns, so let's focus on this 371, the power here. So we have 371 divided by this 4 pattern will give us, it should be 92 remainder 3. 92 remainder 3. This remainder means that you start counting from here and pick the third number. 1, 2, 3. So this is 8. So going by this, 2 raised to the power of 371 will give us 8. So this is, let's pick the third one as 8. As 8. So going by this, we are told is divided by 10. So this 8 divided by 10, that is, we are talking about mode. So this is 8 mode 10. So let's say that, for example, that 2 raised to the power of 371, we got the remainder as, that is 8 mode 10, and that is the final answer. So let's go to the next one, number 4. Going to number 4, we have log 64 in base 4. So this is logarithm. So we have log, the base here is 4. So how many number of places can 4 go into 64, which is 4 raised to the power of 3, is equal to, then the number here will come up, the power here. So we have 3 log 4 in base 4. And your law of indices, any number to its base is 1. So we have 3 times 1 is equal to 3. And 3 is the answer. So we go to number 5. Solve for x. 1 over 2 bracket x minus 4 is equal to 3 plus x. This over 1, we can cross multiply. So we have x minus 4 is equal to 2 bracket 3 plus x. Then x minus 4 is equal to, let's open the bracket, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 times x is 2x. Collect like terms, we have x, then let this one come here, we have minus 2x is equal to 6. When minus 4 comes here is plus 4. X minus 2x is minus x is equal to 10. Then dividing by minus 1, our s is minus 10. And this is the end of the first 5 questions. See you in the next video.